Level up your Jira game and supercharge your testing workflow with a lightning-fast test case import. First, let's navigate to the desired project within Jira. Once you're there, find the Testing or Test Management section, depending on your Jira setup, and any test management add-ins you might have. This is often found in the project sidebar or main navigation. Click on it. Now, within your test management area, look for the Import option. This option will open the Import Wizard. Within the Import Wizard, you will be presented with a few options. From there, carefully choose the appropriate file type format for your test data. Jira typically supports common formats like CSV or Excel files. Selecting the proper format is essential. Next, prepare your import file, ensuring it's correctly formatted to match the field mapping requirements of your Jira setup. This commonly includes test case titles, steps, expected results, and any other relevant information. If you want, you can create or check the format using a spreadsheet. This is going to be the bulk of the information you are importing. Once you are ready to upload, select the file from your computer or the available cloud storage platform of preference. Choose the exact file with your test cases. After the file has been selected, click the Upload button. Once you upload, Jira will provide the project details. You can then map your import file's columns or fields to the specific test case fields within Jira. Carefully review the field mapping to ensure all the data is accurately imported into the right place. Once you've confirmed everything is correctly mapped, begin the actual import process. Finally, track the import's progress. Jira will often provide a progress bar and notifications after your upload is complete. View your newly imported test cases and verify that everything was uploaded successfully. Congratulations, you just streamlined your QA testing. #JIRA import #QA testing.